So I'm hooking up a Hayward 950 VS, replacing the Ecostar to Omnilogic. So you used to have a 2-wire comm wire come into the Ecostar. With the 950 TriStar VS, you have a 3-wire. So you gotta disconnect this, and you have another connector, and you connect your wires same as these, black, yellow, green, and then right to A, B, and comm, and then this one won't have one. You're gonna need this number right here, this HUA number. That's the number that you're gonna program into the Omnilogic over there to recognize this pump, and I'll show you how to do that. Okay, now we gotta program the pump. So we gotta go to configuration. You go to configuration wizard. I need to edit it. Bodies of water, spa, filter pump, HUA, and then we need to figure out the pump. If you click on it, if it recognizes what you hooked up, it's here. This is the number I got off the pump right here, so I know it's this top one, so I can just click that and then click the check mark, and then it does that. So now it's programmed. Now you click home. Now you click the save button and click check mark for it to save, and that's how you program the new 950 VS to the Omnilogic.